Good day guys, welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video you guys will be learning on how to reflect images on a coordinate grid. Now make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. So when we talk about a coordinate grid or a coordinate plane, it consists of 4 quadrants. So we have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Alright guys. Now let's say in this question we have the reflection line they have given is on x-axis at 2. Alright guys. So what the line that you see here is we will be using that as the reflection line. Now let's say for example I have a shape. Let's say I'm going to put a point right here, put a point right here and here, and let's say about here. Alright guys, so it looks like a quadrilateral. Okay, now let me also name the points. So let's say I have point A, point B, point C and point D. Now let's say the question is telling me to reflect this original picture using this given reflection line. Now reflection is very easy. Alright guys, so what we got to do is, so let's start with point D right here. Now since the reflection line is here, point D is going 2 units to the right, so the reflection line, it will go 2 units to the rest. So point D or D prime will be 2 units to the left. Alright guys, now let's go to point A. So point A is going 4 spaces on the x-axis or 4 spaces right. So from the reflection line, in order for us to reflect it, it'll go 4 spaces to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our A prime would be right here. Alright guys, now we're going to do the same thing with B. So B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. Now the reflection of it will go 6 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our B prime will be right here. And the last one, our C is going 1, 2, 3, 3 to the right. So the reflection will be 3 to the left, which will look something like this. Now once you've got it, we can just draw the line and this would give our image. Alright guys, now of course it doesn't look as a reflection as the lines that I've drawn is not straight enough. Alright, now let's say we solve one more question, and let's say in this question I give the reflection line right here on the y-axis. Alright guys, so what you see right here is a reflection line, and let's say I have a triangle right here. So this is 1 point. Let's say this is 2 point, and this is our 3rd point. All right, so I'm going to name this point A, point B and point C. All right guys, so the reflection of this, same like the last question. So let's start off by reflecting point A. So point A is going 2 units down, so the reflection of it will go 2 units up. So this will be point A prime. All right guys, now B is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down the reflection line. So B prime will go 5 units up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one will be B prime. All right, guys. Let's do the same for C prime. C is going 5 units down. Therefore, C prime will go 5 units up. And once we finish it, we draw the picture. And this will be the image. Alright guys, and that is how we reflect images on a coordinate grid. Now if you did enjoy this video guys, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.